Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel IF versus IFS functions. Understanding these tools is crucial for efficient data analysis. The IF function is perfect for simple decisions, checking one condition and giving one of two outcomes. However, when your logic becomes more complex, involving several conditions, the IFS function offers a streamlined approach. We will explore when to use each, ensuring your spreadsheets are both powerful and easy to manage. The IF function is your go-to for straightforward decisions. For example, you might use it to check if a sales total is over $10,000, returning bonus or no bonus. It's simple and effective for one logical test. While you can nest several IF functions together to handle more conditions, this can quickly make your formula long and difficult to read or debug. Keep IF for clear, single-condition scenarios. When you have several conditions to evaluate, the IFS function is a much cleaner solution. Instead of nesting IF statements, you list each condition and its corresponding result. For instance, you could assign grades based on scores. 90% or above is an A, 80% or above is a B, and so on. IFS processes these conditions sequentially, returning the value for the very first one that is met, making your formulas far more readable. The main difference is clear. IF is for one condition, while IFS handles multiple conditions elegantly, removing the need for cumbersome nesting. This makes IFS a powerful tool for complex logic, improving formula clarity significantly. Remember, IFS is available in more recent versions of Excel, so ensure your software is updated. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home with smart technology.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.